Now that XRP has its second bullish break behind it, we can see evidence of some price action popping up as it closes above the 8-day moving average. XRP has broken some significant key levels recently, as it's broken through the 67-cent support and is currently looking bullish. The question is whether this is a short-term correction or perhaps a long-term shift in the market structure. Last week, XRP's price was down by 7% as we entered a bearish trend, knocking its price below the lower trend line of a bear flag formation. XRP has just discovered a formidable resistance at the intersection of the anchored volume-weighted average price with the 200-day simple moving average, ranging around 74 cents. The support level at 65 cents is a significant one, bolstered by the low encountered during the May 23rd dip. Currently, XRP is trading at around 65 cents. Given the current status, as Bitcoin ranges to $35,000, XRP hits 70 cents. So what price range do you think XRP will hit when Bitcoin hits 40,000 to 45,000? Welcome back to Make Money Online. If this is your first time on the channel, consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on post notifications. Don't forget you can join our free Discord group via the link in the description for daily signals and a community of like-minded traders and investors. And now you can also support us on Patreon. We have several packages you can choose from according to your particular investment needs. And we have a special offer for our first 100 members, only $9.99 for VIP access on Discord. That gives you exclusive benefits far beyond the free features. Be sure to check out the links in the video description and in the pinned comment. We also have a special discount offer on Binance. You'll get 5% off every trade you make on the platform if you sign up with our promo link in the description. The global crypto market cap has added some moderate gains over the weekend. We now have an increase of about 4.5% over the last day, taking the value of the entire cryptocurrency market cap to about $1.5 trillion as at the time of recording. In sync with the entire crypto market making gains, XRP is making some great moves of its own. However, this digital asset had dipped down to 65 cents after entering an upswing that took its price to 70 cents through the weekend. Albeit XRP has pulled some serious stunts as it outperformed Elon Musk's favorite cryptocurrency, Dogecoin, occupying the number 6 position with a market cap of $32 billion. Following the June 22nd retracement encountered by XRP, along with its uptrend after that, emerged a symmetrical triangle on its 12-hour chart. While this pattern can lead to a breakout in either direction, the market bulls were determined to force an outcome in their favor, as is evident in the current price action. As such, a hike above the upper trend line had us reaching the 69 to 70 cents margin, which could trigger a potential upcycle towards the 80 cents price level. The visible range, according to the charts, is an indication that a high level of interest for XRP between the 85 to 94 cents margin, in addition to maintenance of the price within this zone, could help bolster a bullish sentiment back towards the $1 mark. From XRP's most recent indicators, there is a bullish trend inbound. However, a few developments need to happen before we can confirm that trend. On the other hand, the relative strength index approached the neutral zone and has been rejected at around 50 on several occasions. At which point, if the index manages to scale above 55 on its current upswing, XRP would most likely see an influx of more substantial buying pressure that would take us to newer price discoveries. Also important to note is the directional movement index, which has been on the cusp of a bullish crossover for quite some time now, bearing its second marker, all thanks to the massive sell-off on May 19th. If the positive components of the average directional index, the plus DI line, successfully rises above the negative DI level and maintains this trend in the future, rest assured of a bullish trend. A few negatives appeared in the moving average convergence and divergence, which highlighted the patterns of a diminishing bullish momentum. And if this momentum melts away over the coming days, some sideways movement should be expected. At which time a move below the 60 cents margin might even invalidate the triangular pattern we see. For a while now, we've been all about trading ranges of support and resistance, and that's because these two key levels are extreme and magnetic zones found around psychological numbers. And as you might have probably noticed, these price ranges are roughly the same distance apart. If you measure between the ones seen on the chart, from 43, 52, 58, 69, 74, and 92 cents, they're separated by approximately 10%. Basing your XRP price predictions around these ranges is suitable for trade, as you can be almost certain that the prices will likely bounce between these margins. Having such knowledge gives you the conviction of when to sell and when to hodl. Of course, we know that XRP could hit the $1 mark before the end of this quarter, but then if we're to run an analysis on the chances of XRP reaching $1 in the near term, the odds are quite against us. We can see from the chart that XRP had broken the 65 cents resistance level and even went further down to retest the 63 cents margin and is now seen to be bouncing off that level, using it as a support and forming resistance at 70 cents. As such, further noteworthy confirmations of XRP's price heading towards the bullish end in the short term include the following. It could break above resistance on the lower time frames while completing the head and shoulders formation, or perhaps a bullish divergence on the moving average convergence and divergence on the daily charts. XRP is looking to have the 83 cents level as its next critical psychological level and trading range, and establishing that as a vital supply zone that's not been tested for a while now. Now, if XRP is to break above the 80 cents level, a level that's been retested, then it's best to hold trade at the 95 cents level. XRP's last target is perhaps the $1.10 mark, which is another critical supply zone that's not been tested for quite some time, in addition to a vital area of consolidation at around $1.04. Be sure to set your stop losses below each of these levels. To wrap this all up, the representation of a symmetrical triangle, as highlighted by XRP's price chart, is none other than an indication of a breakout possibility that could push XRP's price past the 70 to 75 cents level towards the 80 cents marker. A consolidation above that level increases the chances of XRP reclaiming the $1 price marker in the coming week. Nonetheless, I would advise the traders be cautious of another bout of selling pressure. It seems like the bears could take hold of the market once we have a move below the 60 cents price tag, counteracting the chances of bullish momentum. But if the upper trend line of the downwards descending channel gets simultaneously broken alongside the 80 cents critical psychological level, in addition to the daily range, then XRP could well be undergoing a more significant change in the market structure, a move that could poise quite an exciting ripple effect of positive trends for the XRP coin. What would be even more fascinating is seeing a break at that point and close above the 50 and 200 moving averages. On the flip side, we could also see XRP retesting the supply zone, an area of consolidation, at the 80 cents price margin, after which XRP's price could break down to newer lows yet again. Only this time, bearing with it a confirmation of whether or not the market is still bearish. Not to mention that the past week and a half has been quite bullish for XRP, as the cryptocurrency managed to hike from a low of 50 cents to a high of over 70 to 71 cents, a price action representing gains amassing to almost 42%. On a similar note, a minor price correction was recorded over the past few days, but the buyers seem to have resumed control over the market, as XRP looks to be doing great right as we speak. The question remains whether XRP would be able to continue in this bullish trend. Perhaps specific signals in its market did seem to suggest exactly that, while other patterns, such as forming a symmetrical triangle, present the chances of an upwards breakout, and as such bears the markings that XRP is headed for the $1 mark in no time. Thanks for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications. Remember to check out our links to Patreon and our free Discord group in the video description and in the pinned comment. And if you have any questions or suggestions, let us know as well. Be sure to check out some of our previous videos. We'll see you next time.
That's how it goes. Hollywood perfect.